Okay, what did you got? It's a blind.
It's okay, I can always remake them. So let's delete Francis. Delete Cherry's dad. Yeah, let's delete Adam and Justin. Delete Cherry's gender band. Yeah, let's delete myself.
Ano sa?
5 slots here and 1 extra slot. Oh, another extra slot. So let's make Jinno. So let's see. So for this here, I'm trying to see how people make it in
Did you go?
Toka. Someone literally used a bowl.
What did you got? I got. What did you got? It's that way. What did I get? What did you get?
Okay, I guess we could use this.
What is that? What did you got, Gani?
I got the cake.
Huh? You got a cake? Melody and Chromie cake?
Yeah.
Wow! Asa tayo ban pa, anak? Cake, di ini? Universe cake, di ini? Oh. Walang kamatayan egg.
What's this?
Nagpiping mahala. Ay, isa gabi.
I open it.
Mm.
Let's see what's this. Tweezers.
Oh, tweezers.
This one.
Next. Isod sa egg pink. What is that? Let me see.
Oh, this one. Green. That donut.
What's this?
Green.
Oh, it's a cream. Hindi cover. Ito pala yun there. Ito ng egg. What's that? Show to me here.
I see.
I see. Asa ba? I see the egg. I see this one. Let me see this one. Sun-baked sweets though. I
It
see.
looks like sunburn.
No. That's it na?
Yeah, but I need to decorate it first.
No more na?
Not one.
Freezers over decorating. Cute. Napatay tray.